What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm about to do this little whatnot unboxing. I think this is around like 10 items, plus I got like 1, 2, 3 more items on the bed from this other little box. But I got this box from Whatnot. Gonna get into it. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I have it linked in the description. Plus, follow me on Poshmark. And if you use my code, if you don't have a Poshmark account already, but if you sign up, you can get $10 off your first order if you use my code. Bro sent me some sassy stickers. I ain't gonna even cap. First item though. Let me make sure I'm in the frame. Alright, first item. What is this? Turtle Bay, single stitch, size XXL. This ain't gonna be a long video. Just wanted to do a little unboxing. Got this one. This one is on the Anita tag, size XL. Cool little summer tee. This one is fishing tee. This is a 2001 size. What size? Size 2X on the jerseys tag. I just ordered I spent like $150 on Whatnot last night. I got some bangers on the way. So much Harley. This one is a size medium. I think it's dated. I'm not sure. 1993. It's a clean one right here. 1993. And all of these are going to be available on my Poshmark when you see this video. What's this? Single stitch. What does that say? Dang, I can't even get the shirt right. 90s single stitch. Doesn't have a size tag, so gotta do the measurements. Well, the tag is just faded. We got another one, 2001. 2001 size large on the Dr. Seuss tag. Jeez. Pardon here's a who. 2001. Let's see. I got this one. Dang, even more stickers. Got this one for the ladies, size large. Pepe jeans, denim jacket. This is probably like the highest item out of this box. I searched comps on it before I bought it. I seen some of them on Poshmark, eBay for like 50 to 70. I paid like probably $10. More stickers. I just reuse all the stickers people send me and put them in other boxes. This is a size XL on the sad tag. Never seen that tag. Single stitch. No back hits. Single stitch, New York. I can get close to like 25 if I want to tax 35 for some of these tees. This one is a size large. 1988 Chicago Cubs. But yeah, in the 80s they were little, and it's probably been washed and shrunk a little bit, but size large, but it looks like a medium. 1988. Damn, so many stickers down there. This is probably my favorite tee on the Lee Sport tag, size medium. Single stitch. I think it's dated. Let's see. Now, I don't know if it's dated, but it is single stitch on the Lee Sport tag. Clean little Red Sox, Boston. Yeah, that was everything in this box though. It's like 10 items, I think, close to 10 items. And boy sent me so many stickers. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting these in other people's packages. Got me some free wrapping paper, but I'm about to go ahead and start uploading these, get all my measurements, pictures. Stay tuned. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you guys hit that like, comment, and subscribe. If you want any of these items, you gotta go check them out on my Poshmark before they're gone. Link in the description. And you can use my link or my code Vintage by Marcus to sign up if you're done with Poshmark already and get $10 off your first order. But that's gonna be the end of this one. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.